Ever tried making nut butter at home, only to end up with a gritty, chunky mess? What if I told you the right blender could turn any nut into creamy perfection in minutes? Today, we're diving deep into the world of blenders to answer a question every nut butter lover has asked. What's the best blender for making ultra-smooth, homemade nut butter? Whether you're a peanut butter purist, almond enthusiast, or love experimenting with mixed nuts, this video will reveal the top 5 blenders that can handle the job. No more guesswork, no more wasted ingredients. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly which blender deserves a spot on your kitchen counter. 5. JAWZ High Performance Blender. Imagine tossing almonds, cashews, or even macadamia nuts into a blender and watching them transform into creamy, spreadable nut butter in just minutes. That's what the JAWZ High Performance Blender promises. And it delivers with serious muscle. With a commercial-grade 3.5 peak horsepower motor, this blender doesn't just blend, it pulverizes. Its 10-speed variable control and 3 preset programs, including one for smoothies and another for ice crushing, give you flexibility. While the pulse function lets you control texture down to the last swirl, the stainless steel blades are designed to limit aeration, which is crucial for nut butters. No more weird air pockets or uneven blends. The 64-ounce Triton jar is both durable and easy to clean, and the soft grip handle makes pouring your fresh nut butter a breeze. 1. During testing, JAWZ easily handled a mix of almonds, cashews, and macadamia nuts, producing a rich, creamy butter without overheating or stalling. Plus, it's built to replace several appliances, so you can make smoothies, soups, and even flour from grains. But is it perfect? Not quite. Some users note the speed can be inconsistent over time, and while it's powerful, it's not as refined as some higher-end models. Still, for its price and performance, JAWZ is a fantastic entry point for serious home nut butter makers. 4. Vitamix E310 Explorian. Next up is the Vitamix E310, a blender that's become legendary among home cooks for its reliability and raw power. If you want almond butter with nothing but almonds, no extra oil, no sweeteners, the E310 is up to the challenge. In tests, it turned 2 cups of raw almonds into creamy, spreadable butter in just about 90 seconds. The result? A rich, natural flavor and a silky texture that rivals store-bought spreads. What sets the E310 apart is its ability to break down tough ingredients quickly and evenly. Even when blending raw nuts, oatmeal, and dried berries, the E310 left almost no chunks behind, outperforming many competitors that took much longer and still produced grainy results. And it's not just for almond butter. Cashew, walnut, and peanut butters are all within its wheelhouse. The downside? The E310 doesn't have as many preset programs as other Vitamix models, and you'll need to use the tamper to keep thick mixes moving. But for pure blending power and versatility at a reasonable price, the E310 is a top contender. Blendtec Total Blender Classic. If you're after a blender that combines brute force with smart design, the Blendtec Total Blender Classic is worth a look. Blendtec blenders are famous for their "Will It Blend" videos, and when it comes to nut butter, the answer is a resounding yes. Making peanut butter is straightforward. Add roasted peanuts and salt, ramp up the speed, and within minutes, you'll have warm, creamy peanut butter ready to spread. The Blendtec's unique jar design and powerful motor mean you don't need a tamper. Ingredients are pulled into the blades naturally, so you can walk away while it works. The controls are simple, with multiple speed settings and pre-programmed cycles, making it easy to customize your blend. However, some users have noted that Blendtec blenders can be loud, and the jar shape, while great for most blends, sometimes requires you to scrape down the sides for thicker nut butters. Still, for ease of use and consistent results, Blendtec is a solid pick. 2. Vitamix Propel Series 750 Blender. Now we're entering premium territory. The Vitamix Propel Series 750 is a powerhouse designed for those who want professional-grade performance at home. When it comes to nut butter, the Propel 750 is fantastic. It quickly pulls all ingredients into a vortex, blending them into a smooth, even paste witut needing the tamper. The trick is to use a high speed, around 7 or 8 on the dial. Too high and ingredients might get flung away from the blades, but at the right setting, you'll get perfect nut butter every time. The Propel 750's wide range of speed settings lets you start slow and ramp up, minimizing splashes and ensuring every bit gets blended. It's also great for heating soups and making purees, thanks to its powerful motor and friction heat. On the downside, the Propel 750 is loud, really loud, and the price reflects its premium status. But if you want a blender that can handle anything you throw at it, from nut butter to hot soup, it's hard to beat. 1. Breville BBL 920B SS Super Q. Topping our list is the Breville BBL 920B SS Super Q, a blender that combines innovation, power, and user-friendly features. What makes the Super Q stand out for nut butter? First, it comes with a scraper tool designed specifically for thick blends like nut butters, so you can get every last bit out of the JAWZ oven. The motor is engineered for both power and quiet operation, thanks to advanced noise suppression technology, making it much quieter than its competitor's 7. The Super Q also offers a vacuum blending accessory, which can help preserve freshness and reduce oxidation in your nut butter, though this feature is more of a bonus than a necessity. The built-in cord wrap and easy-to-clean design add to its convenience. The only major drawback is the price. It's one of the most expensive blenders on the market, and some features, like the vacuum accessory, may not be essential for everyone. But if you want the best of the best, with thoughtful extras and serious blending power, the Breville Super Q is the ultimate choice for nut butter aficionados. Final thought. After testing and comparing these top 5 blenders, one thing is clear: you don't have to settle for store-bought nut butter ever again. Whether you choose the budget-friendly JAWZ, the reliable Vitamix E310, the user-friendly Blendtec, the powerhouse Propel 750, or the feature-packed Breville Super Q, you'll be able to whip up creamy, delicious nut butter at home, tailored exactly to your taste. No matter which you choose, you're just minutes away from the freshest, creamiest nut butter you've ever tasted.